here we can find a product, customize our theme, we can add a domain. So everything we might need on making our online store are all here on Shopify. So now let's start to first get a layout for our store. So for us to make the layout for our store, we must go to select a theme. So how to select a theme? So let's go to click online store. Let's click online store. So we are now on themes. So how do we choose our themes? So there are several themes that Shopify has. So actually right now we are just gonna choose a theme, a free theme, since this is just a tutorial. So actually there are paid themes that Shopify can provide to us. It may be look nicer, but for me these free themes are good enough. So let's click Brooklyn. I like this. So there are two styles for Brooklyn. So there is the classic and there is the playful. But for me, I recommend to choose classic. So let's add Brooklyn. So now we are already back on themes. So let's, since we had already got it, so let's go to check our theme, the free theme. So let's click actions and publish it. Now let's confirm it. So it's already published. So now let's go to customize. So here on customize, we're gonna choose how our store would look like. So we can edit things, we can add things on this. So there are different options that we can choose. But for me, I'm just gonna do some edits. So let's click slideshow. So let's gonna take off the second slide. So click remove content. So there we have only one slide. So let's click back. Let's, I don't like this collection list, so let's take it off. So let's remove section. So there's no more collection list. So we're gonna leave this featured collections. But the thing is, we are gonna change the heading for this. So let's change it to our products. And the collage, the grid style here below. I think I would change it to grid. So now we have changed the heading and we had changed the grid style. So let's click save and go back. So a little bit error. So just gonna wait for a moment. Gonna click save again. There we have it. Great. So back. So I don't like this rich text. So actually on this rich text section, this is where we say something about our product. We're just gonna give an intro, talk about our brand, but I don't like this. So yeah, here we're gonna make or tell something about our brand. So I don't like this. I want my store to be clean, so I'm gonna remove this section. So now for us to have the image for our store, we're we are gonna choose an image for our store. So let's go to Google Image. Since we had choose the cat lovers niche, let's click cats, go to images. So here, before choosing any, let's go to tools. Here, let's usage, let's label it for reuse to avoid any copyright issues. So let's click the size. So it's larger than, let's choose 104 to 768. That would be the size that we will be needing for our store. So let us choose. So I think this is good. This picture is good. So let's click it. Let's save it. So let's have it saved on our computer. So let's go back to the store. Let's let's go to our slideshow. I'm gonna go to slides. Gonna gonna add the image. So let's select image, upload an image. Let's look for the cats. This great. Select. So below we have this introductory. So I don't like it. Let's delete it. This on the subheading text. I don't like this. So let's gonna delete this. So here also in the heading text, let's take it off. Shop now. Hero banner. Let's take it off. Let's make this store clean. Clean but still perfectly good. So there we can see how our store looks like. It's kind of clean, less words. So for me, if I were a customer, I would really visit this site. It's actually good than I expected.